Hello guys, it's the Forensic Junkie here again, and today I'm going to be doing a challenge, a CTF challenge on the Cyber Talents platform. And the name of this challenge is the JTAG Dump. As we can see, it has a medium difficulty, and the challenge description says this is a JTAG mobile extraction for a handset in a criminal case. Catch the flag. Now, for this challenge, we're going to be solving that using Kali Linux. So here we are. I want to believe that you've clicked the link to download the data set. If you've not, please make sure you do that. So I have downloaded mine and it's in my downloads. I downloaded it and I created a directory or a folder named JTAG CTF Cyber Talent and pasted the binary file inside the folder. So it's a binary file. Now, as a CTF player or as a forensic analyst, when I see a binary file, I'm thinking, what could it contain? And the first thing that comes to mind is to use the tool called binwalk on that binary file. Now, for those of you that may not know what binwalk is used to search binary files for hidden files or texts. It is a widely used tool for analyzing and extracting firmware images. Sometimes we also use the tool to perform reverse engineering. So I'm going to navigate to my downloads and I'm going to navigate to the JTAG CTF Cyber Talent directory and I'm going to execute binwalk in there. So because I've done it before, here it is, it's showing to autocomplete. So binwalk that double dash dd equals dot asterisk and then we have the binary file. Now I'm going to explain what the command means. This double dash dd means data dump and this dot asterisk that you are seeing right here is what we call a wildcard. Now, what is this telling? What is this telling binwalk to do? It's saying that binwalk should extract any anything that it sees within the binary file. So binwalk is expected to extract everything that it sees within the binary file, and the period sign in the command is telling binwalk to match any character, and the asterisk sign is saying that it should match 0 or more of the preceding character. So when you add those two, the period and the asterisk, it's saying that binwalk should match everything. So you should extract every detected file type from that binary file. So we're going to click enter. If you click enter, this command is going to run. But I have done it before and I don't want to waste any more time. Basically, when you run this command, this is what the output is going to look like. This is the output. This output contains images, JPEGs, PNGs, GIFs, and some compressed archives, as we can see here, 7Z, the rest. So I'm going to go through them. Definitely our flag is somewhere within these images. So some have refused to open. Sorry about that. Very well. So here's the flag. Flag, remember, header, then footer. So we've grabbed our flag and we're going to we're going to paste that in here. Flag, remember, header, then click submit. Sorry, okay. I've been I have been authenticated for a while and not been active, so it's timed out. So let me type it again. Flag, remember, header, then footer. So congratulations, correct submission. That is the flag. That is how you solve this challenge. This challenge was basically trying to test our understanding of steganography, or rather steganalysis, and we passed. Thank you. Bye.